Alright you guys, so now check out how to make dotted effect here in Photoshop and Illustrator. Now this idea was inspired from the comment section because I did this tutorial first on some text. So today we'll take a look how to make this actually with a JPEG image. So for that, first we're going to start in Photoshop, select your image and then go to the adjustments, and all you need to do is select the threshold. And with the threshold, you can go to this handle and drag it. You can drag it to the left. So this is going to light up the image, or drag it to the right. This is going to make it dark. In my situation, probably going to go with this. And from here, you can go and save it as a JPEG. Now let's go into Illustrator and I'm going to drag and drop the exported subject, scale it down. And then from here, we're going to go here to the properties. So let's go and select the embed. So now we got some new menus going on with new settings, and let's go to the image trace, click on it and select default. This is going to convert it into vectors. Let's go to the properties, and all you need to do is click on ignore color here. You also can go and adjust the threshold, and then let's go to the path, decrease that, so it's going to simplify it even more, and click on expand. Now from here we're going to go to the object, let's go to the path and select simplify first. We're going to need to remove as much path as possible, and if you decrease this, it is going to start simplifying it. I'm probably going to go somewhere around in the center, and next I'm going to select it again. Let's go to object, path again, and this time we're going to go with the smooth. And here all you need to do is drag the handle up. So this way it is going to make these jagged lines around it. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is remove the unnecessary stuff. And what I'm going to do is right click on this, on group, and I'm going to need to select this one, right click and select release compound path. So here what we're going to need to do is press Shift plus M, and I'm going to press and hold Alt. You also can go and select the shape builder tool here. Now press and hold Alt and click on these areas which you actually want to remove. So I'm going to press and hold Alt, click, and this is going to remove the unnecessary stuff. And then I can go back to the Pathfinder, click on Unite, and then I'm going to move the portrait out of the frame. Select all the other stuff here, the grunge, and delete it. Bring this back. Great. So next we're going to go to the object. Let's select the rasterize. Here all you need to do is make sure to select the transparent here. Click OK. Now let's go back to the object. Now we got some new options here. Select create object mosaic. And first we're going to go here to the tile spacing, and I'm going to increase the width and the height, for example, 1 by 1. And then let's go to the number of the tiles. You can set the number. The lower you go with the number, the bigger the pixels are going to be. So for example, in my situation, I'm going to try it out with 70 and then select the height. We're going to need to calculate the height. And for that, we're going to go to the use ratio, click on it, and this is going to calculate it. Click OK. So now we got the effect, and as you can see, the mosaic is on the top. The original image is on the bottom. I'm going to delete that. And from here, what I'm going to do is select the magic wands tool and select the white squares. Press on delete. I'm going to select all of it. Select a color for them. And above least go to the effect, stylize, and select round corners. Here at the radius, decrease it. This is going to make it rounded. Click OK. And pretty much that's it. If you zoom out, it's going to look better. So pretty much that's how I make this really cool dotted effect here in Photoshop and Illustrator. Thanks for watching.